I don't know if y'all know it, but we're going to win. I don't know if you feel it, but we're going to win. I don't know if you can see it, but we're going to win. You got to understand we're going to win right now. Right now.
What year? 80? 86? New project, yes sir.
Storm.
Let that shit ride, 88. He's been feeling further than I'm
on them. And all of them cleaned up. I could hit a little bit. All of these gotta be welded back into the new floor. When you buy the new floor pan, they don't come with these pieces. So, we're making progress on the Monte Carlo floor pan. I just want to show you guys something. This is a 3-piece weld. This is part of the rocker panel here that also has a weld spot for the floor pan to lay all the way around. But if you see here, this is the remaining piece of the floor pan, just that lip, and it's welded on the outside flange where it pieces together, but it's in between this piece. So 1 piece of metal, 2 pieces of metal, 3 pieces of metal. So in order to get this out, the first thing we need to do, because we got it welded in on the outside over here, this is a plastic wheel weld. This has to go. This has to go. Once that's out, it'll give you access to this lip, which is where it welds to. But if you get in that corner over there, this wheel well is in the way. So once we get this piece out, it'll give us access to move it. And then next, we might have to release the body mounts just to get it lifted up a little bit to get that floor pan in. But we got to get that wheel well out first. So stay tuned, man. Good work always. VTSV Auto.
Storm.
He's been feeling further than I'm already.
That was a little hidden. I don't want you to lose that.
Hey,
I got mine in.
Hey, before you let me see that red. Let me get that corner. Before you go to clamping and everything, what's gonna give you a better fit is once we get this back cut.
Yeah, but I will tell you, when you clamp it and you push this down, you're gonna mark it from the bottom, you know.
So Dylan,
Yes, sir.
You
what I
understand
really
me?
was trying to say is when you clamp it
Yeah.
and you get it down, then you mark it from the bottom to the back. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
I was pretty much saying the same
because
thing.
when you clamp it, because when you clamp it from the because when you clamp it in the, from the front, the vector is not gonna move nowhere. You understand what I mean?
Yeah, so
and when you
clamp
add
it from the front deal, it's not gonna move anywhere. You know what I'm saying? That-
So the back will be stable,
we knew that.
it'll be down.
We knew
It'll
that.
make you go down. And
You ain't got to tell me that.
Cut it.
New Lexus on them. You ain't gotta tell. You gotta play.
So why you said you know why you doing that?
I just was testing you. I was just testing you. I just wanted to see if you knew.
Testing me.
He's not even gonna drive it.
He said, "What's up? You testing me, bitch? I'm the teacher. How you testing me?"
I'm the master.
Right.
Burning.
Look, no, yeah, I got it. Look, come. You see where the water thing in the middle, right? You see it or no?
Yup. Perfect. Good. Good. Huh?
We don't play games here. This is how the right way, you know, to you know, I mean, that's the right way to do it. If you don't know what side has to be, you know,
Up, down.
up and down, exactly, yeah. Like this, when you put the chair, it's gonna be the same level, you know.
I guarantee you, 90% of the people that do the floors,
They don't
not
know.
checking the level.
Yeah.
See, you gotta have that engineer mind state to think of stuff like that. Tell
I've
it.
been doing this for 24 years, you know.
How many years?
24 years.
Okay.
So, I mean,
You're not a fucking baby.
I'm not a fucking baby. Yeah, it's welded in. So it deal. You can take this off.
Yep.
Take this off, but make sure you take the picture first. Even you you got picture in your phone.
Picture.
Yeah, because we want to make sure we get it we put them together on the right way. So you take this off. You take this off.
Yeah.
You take these two off, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
So this is we're gonna get the exact knot.
Yeah.
The exact side,
then put it
side.
right in there.
Put right there, and we weld them,
Okay. Happy Halloween, trick or treat, bitch.
This one, yeah, here we go.
So you see them holes right there? Where? Yep. Down a little bit right there. Yep.
Okay, now, let's get the screws,
Yeah. Right there.
Like this one, right?
Oh yeah.
You hear everybody? Wow. Wow.
Storm.
You guys see Dylan down there? If you see this piece right here, this is a seat belt bracket that welds to the floor. As you guys know, we're doing a floor pan replacement on this 86 Sweet Jewel Classic Monte Carlo. And when you buy the new floor, it comes with the whole provision, but it don't actually come with the bracket. So you gotta You can either buy them or you could take them off the old floor. These were still good, so we just, you know, cleaned them up and gonna use them. Here you go, Dill.
Yes, sir.
So now you can put them in your place. Red, you could have made your holes already. You already know where your 2 holes gonna be at.
Come to the side. You don't need it yet?
That's what
Make it look straight now.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
Are you good?
Yeah.
This is the old floor pan out of the Monte Carlo that we're doing. Looks super good how they, you know, finished everything. I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the importance. Number one, what Red doing. He's salvaging the piece that comes off of the floor pan here. That's not included on the new floor pan. So we got to take all of these brackets off. You already see Dylan drilled everything out. But once you drill them out, you still got a little bit of metal left over that got to be cleaned. Where when it goes to the new floor, everything is ready. Weld through primer, welded up in the ground. But sometimes, you know, in the past, I done seen people try to go too fast. They'll cut out the old floor, get rid of it. New floor come in, you'll realize that these brackets aren't included on the new floor. So it's important, if you're doing any type of metal replacement, don't cut the old metal out until you get the new metal in. Then you can mark everything up. Then you will know what's missing, what you got to keep, what you got to salvage. You know, so just, once you finish it up, everything will be perfect how it was or better than what it was from the factory. Yeah.
VTSV Auto. Make it happen.
Storm. Storm.
Victor! So the floor is already done, you know.